Liangyi Dianxue Kung Fu Series Part 9. Xiao Miao Z. Xiao Miao Z mainly trains your agility, evading, striking, and maneuvering, combining large and small frames. 1. Xiao Miao Z. Demonstration. Front view. Side view. Xiao Miao Z breakdown. Advance. First, let's look at advance in Xiao Miao Z. Stand naturally. Regulate your breath and look forward. Raise both hands slightly. Lift your left foot, toes touching the ground. Stomp down. Simultaneously chop both hands down sharply. Simultaneously raise your right foot, toes touching the ground. Shift your weight to the left foot. Form a right empty stance.